Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Hi, guys. So, in today's DIY, I am going to show you how to create a fall tree using a plunger, jute rope, and florals, all from the Dollar Tree. Let's go. Well, hello, my subbies. To get started, we are going to spray paint these pails that I purchased from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago in some Rust-Oleum black glossy finish spray paint. So guys, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel, my new and returning subscribers. Please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And you want to make sure you give a good coating to these pails. And now we're going to move right on. We have this plunger here that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And of course you're going to remove the label, but after I thought about it, you really didn't have to. I am taking some of that jute rope that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to wrap it around the wooden part of the plunger. This is such an easy project, budget friendly, and it turns out absolutely beautiful. As you can see, I am just wrapping the rope, and I will say that for mine, I used about 6 of these, well, not a full 6, more like 4.5 of the brown jute rope. I wanted my base to be a little thicker for my tree, and I'm just making sure that the ends are glued down, and then I'll get another piece and just continue the wrapping of it. You can choose to go all the way up with your rope, or you can leave some space as I did. Keep watching. And of course, I am going to burn the frays off of my jute twine or jute rope. As you know, if you are a regular on my channel, you know Joy do not like the frays from the jute rope, but she loves jute. Joy loves jute. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead, do it. Do it right now. Go ahead. I dare you. And now I decided to just finish up the top portion with some moss. Now I will say I didn't particularly like this moss from the Dollar Tree, so I went and got some of that green moss that I purchased from Michael's a couple of months ago. And I am just shaving it and trying to make it as flat as possible. The moss from the Dollar Tree was stringy, so it didn't lay as it didn't lay down like I wanted it to. And so I just said I need something that's looser and resembled more of the moss that I was going for, and the green moss did that. And I'm just giving it, like I said, a good shave. And now I have some florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. You can use whatever type of florals that you want to use for your tree. This is a great project for all seasons. So really budget friendly, and it really enhances your space. I've already have other fall trees that I made in previous DIYs, but this one is going to be used for my upcoming vendor event to style with some of the things I will be selling. And when it comes to your floors, make sure that you cut down the stems. And now I have some rocks. These are aquarium rocks. And what I'm going to do is, you see I have my tree secured inside of a pineapple can, and I put it inside the black pail that I spray painted. I added some Dollar Tree bags to save on product. And now I'm putting some of that brown moss that I purchased from Hobby Lobby on top of the bag and added some around the top portion of the tree. And guys, we're at the reveal. It's just that quick. And look how cute this turned out. I love my fall tree. It is so cute. I styled it with one of my Pottery Barn dupes here on the right, my right, probably your left. And I think this turned out super cute. Guys, you got to let me know what you think about this project, in the comment section of this video. And also, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. All right, guys, until the next DIY, bye for now.